Thailand's baht has strengthened by more than 7% since the beginning of 2025, reaching its highest level in 4 years. While this might sound like positive news, the currency's remarkable appreciation runs counter to Thailand's currency economic reality, the economic that experts describe as weakening to the point of crisis. The baht's extraordinary performance has raised eyebrows among financial analysts, particularly as it strengthened by 17% over the past 17 months, moving from 37 baht per dollar in April last year to under 32 baht today. But what's driving this seemingly inexplicable surge? Initially, most analysts attributed the baht's strength to broader regional trends. The U.S. desire for a weaker dollar to reduce the trade deficits and improve global competitiveness. This policy had indeed strengthened most Asian currencies, including the Taiwan dollar, Korean won, and Japanese yen. However, over the past fortnight, something particular has emerged. The baht's appreciation has begun moving in tandem with global gold prices, a correlation that breaks historical patterns, but these two typically move in the opposite directions. This unusual behavior has prompted experts to examine what they are calling mystery capital, funds flowing into Thailand with unclear origins. Dr. Suphawut Saichua, chairman of the National Economic and Social Development Council, has been particularly vocal about these concerns, pointing to NEO figures that have grown to extraordinary levels. The plot thickens considerably when we examine the cryptocurrency angle. Sources within Thailand's digital asset industry have revealed what they describe as a sophisticated money laundering operation worth approximately 500 billion baht. The alleged scheme works as follows. International criminal networks convert cryptocurrency obtained through illegal activities into Thai baht, then use this fund to purchase gold, property, and corporate bonds, effectively laundering illicit money through Thailand's financial system. What's particularly concerning is that the Bank of Thailand lacks comprehensive data on daily cryptocurrency transfer in and out of the country. This regulatory blind spot has allegedly created opportunities for transnational criminals to exploit Thailand as a laundering hub. The numbers are staggering. Thailand's net error and omission figures jumped from 180 billion baht in 2022 to over 530 billion baht in 2024, nearly tripling in just 2 years. Even after recent revisions that reduced the 2024 figure to 230 billion baht, approximately $5 billion annually remains unexplained. Responding to these concerns, the government has established a special task force comprising representatives from 5 key agencies: the Fiscal Policy Office, Bank of Thailand, Anti-Money Laundering Office, Securities and Exchange Commission, and the Stock Exchange of Thailand. To combat the strengthening baht and mystery capital flows, Deputy Prime Minister Niti Thanpraphat has launched an urgent cross-agency task force. Meeting for the first time this week, the team's top priority is identifying the source of the massive inflow and determine if the funds are illicit. Dr. Suphawut has been particularly critical of the Bank of Thailand's response, arguing that focusing on online gold trading misses the real issue entirely. He identified the abnormal surging NEO figures as coming from grey businesses, the main culprit behind the baht's unusual strength. Dr. Suphawut has identified 3 fundamental problems requiring urgent reform: Thailand's consistently low inflation rate compared to other countries, persistent current account surpluses, and the central bank's predictable invention patterns that essentially guarantee profits for baht holders. Dr. Suphawut warns that the Bank of Thailand must address these structural issues rather than merely treating symptoms. The 500 billion baht mystery represents a threat far greater than normal gold trading fluctuations. As Thailand grapples with these revolutions, the question remains, can authorities trace and halt what appears to be one of Southeast Asia's largest money laundering operations before it further destabilizes the region's financial systems? นงลักษณ์ อาจจะนปัญญา Tamarin Somha, The Nation